When it comes to any kind of online business, content is really king, and it's only when you can put good quality content out there that you can make it online and see some real results. But coming up with quality content on a regular basis can be challenging, and this is why I leverage PLR content. What's up YouTubers, Amar here, and in this video I will show you my best 5 ways to make money with PLR products. I will keep my best strategy to the end, and there will be also a bonus to download for free. But before I jump into these strategies, let me show you one important thing that you need to consider before doing anything with the PLR content, and that's respecting the license. So the PLR license, you will receive it with a package, and it will tell you exactly what you can do and what you cannot do, and you need to stick to these terms here. If you have any questions or you are not sure about something, you can just reach out to the PLR creator and ask him that question, but you need to read carefully the license and stick to the terms of use. Now, the first strategy that I like to use with the PLR content is blogging. And if I take a look here at my blog, this is actually a blog post that came from PLR. What I did is that I put my own words, I inject my keywords, and then I publish it on my blog. And if you can see this widget here saying recent posts, you can see that I am posting on a regular basis November 2nd, October 24th, 21st, 18th, like minimum 2 articles a week. What I need to do also is make sure that the Yoast SEO plugin, since I'm using WordPress, the Yoast SEO plugin needs to give me green, meaning that the article is optimized for the search engines and might be indexed and bring some organic traffic to this page. And of course, there are some ads on the sidebar. That's the strategy number 1. You take the PLR content, rewrite it, put your own words, your own style, inject your keywords that you are targeting, and then publish it and optimize it on your blog. When you receive organic traffic, it will be converted using these banners here or any type of ads that you have on your website. My second strategy to make money with PLR is list building. So I leverage the PLR content to create lead magnets and list building funnels. And let me show you some examples. Like for example, this one is about blogging. So I created a lead magnet using the PLR content, and also the design that you can see here is coming from PLR. So I have all the materials needed to create lead magnets and mini sales funnels and list building funnels. Here is another one about selling short reports. This is another one about PLR products. And by the way, you can download these 20 high quality PLR ebooks by checking the links in the description below. My third strategy using PLR products to make money is video ideas. As you know, video now is a powerful tool, a powerful marketing tool, and YouTube is the second largest engine in the world. So what you can do is like create a YouTube channel and grow it by publishing videos leveraging the PLR content. So when you find an ebook, for example, it's a PLR ebook, you can turn those chapters into mini videos where you deliver a precise and clear information. So this is my YouTube channel. I am growing it little by little. So far it's doing well, but I'm expecting a better growth in the future months. And if you like what you see, guys, if you like this mini tutorial, please give it a like to this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming up with more videos about making money online. Strategy number 4 is traffic generation. So traffic is very important when it comes to any kind of online business, and I use pieces of PLR content to generate traffic. So let me show you an example of how I do that. So we have this website here called Medium, and we have this website here called Quora. These two websites are huge and they have lots of traffic, so people come there to search for information. They are also indexed in Google search engine, so if people are searching for something, they can find an article published on Quora or on Medium. So what you need to do is to be there. You need to be on Quora, take pieces of the PLR content that you have, publish them in Quora as topics or as answers to questions, and then link to your blog if they want to read more about it. So you will be bringing traffic from Quora and Medium to your blog or to your website. Strategy number 5, which is my favorite one, and it is called the bonus pages. So most of the PLR products that you can purchase, they have in the license, they have something that allow you to offer it as a bonus if people buy from your affiliate link, and this is what I'm talking about. It can be offered as a bonus. So let's say that you're promoting an affiliate offer about PLR or about any other niche, and you say to your prospects, okay guys, if you want to purchase from my affiliate link, I will give you number 1, number 2, number 3, for example, bonuses that are related to the affiliate offer, and they will bring more value to you, and you will not be like paying more. Everything, all the bonuses will be for free if you just take the offer from my affiliate link. And this is a very effective strategy because the customer will be having more value, so he wins, and the affiliate will be having the commission, so he wins as well. Let me give you a live example about this strategy. So this is an affiliate offer that I am promoting. So this affiliate offer is about PLR ebooks, high quality ELR ebooks that are offered in this sales page here. And in order for me to promote it, what I did is I created a bonus page, the one that you're looking at right now here, and I'm saying get this huge PLR opportunity, instant free access to my exclusive bonuses when you grab the eBook Goldmine PLR package from this bonus page. So I'm talking a little bit about the offer itself, and then here is bonus number 1 that I will be giving away for free. This is the PLR product number 2 that I'm giving for free, and this is the bonus number 3. So he will be having access to these 3 bonuses here instantly after the purchase. So if he goes down in the page, I am saying here, make sure you get it from the link button below, which is this one, and this is actually my affiliate link for the affiliate offer that I am promoting. So I'm promoting it on Warrior Plus, and Warrior Plus allows you to add your bonuses to an affiliate offer. So the final customer will get access to the product itself plus your bonuses. So it's a win-win situation. The customer will be getting more value, more products, and the affiliate will be getting a commission. It's very easy actually to make pages like these ones. You can use templates from other PLR packages. You put the offer that you're promoting here first, and then you present your bonuses, and you make sure to tell the customer that he needs to take the offer from this page here. So these were my strategies to make money online using PLR products and leveraging the PLR content. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be back to answer them. I wish you a great day, and I see you on the next video.